TVU Partyline's Kiosk mode gives you the ability to add custom backgrounds and logos to a dynamic screen for up to 30 participants. The Kiosk screen can show a main feed for an event or presentation, and it will be surrounded by live video thumbnails of the participants. These thumbnails will automatically resize as people join and leave the Partyline session, so you will never have to scroll through multiple pages to see a participant. You can invite people to your Partyline session by clicking on the Invite button, which will open up a new window with a browser link that you can copy and paste into an email or text message. To add a custom background or logo to your Kiosk session, first click on the full screen icon in the upper right. In the upper left, click on the Add Logo Background button. You will see that there is a Logo tab and a Background tab. With the Logo tab selected, you can add a logo by clicking on the Add button to upload a graphics file from your computer. Once the logo graphic is uploaded, select it from the list below, and you can use your mouse to resize it in the logo space on the right of the screen. Click the Apply button in the bottom left to make it active. To add a custom background, in the Background tab, click the Add button, upload the background image from your computer, and then select it from the list below and click the Apply button in the bottom left. Now in the top left, click on the back arrow and click on the Exit Full Screen button to return to the main window.